To have you here in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords. 2 of these keywords are connected to one specific niche, and the second keyword as well is quite profitable, and they are all amazing keywords with low competition, with high demand. They can be used for the title, subtitle, or the 7 keyword slots. We're going to talk about some strategies to help you in niching down and obtaining the best maximum results that you can with these 3 keywords. Now, before we get started, take advantage of the 30-day free trial for Fabrica if you have not yet done so, and if you don't yet have an active subscription, this is your chance to be able to access Fabrica's elements in terms of graphics, fonts, as well as KDP keywords and KDP interiors that are ready-made with full commercial license access that way. And there will also be a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro, so you can be able to check out the elements of the Canva Pro account. With that being said, let's head straight to the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is End of Life Planner Organizer Notebook. This is an amazing keyword to use for the 7 keyword slots for anything to do with end of life planning, notebook, journal, as well organizer, logbook as well. So end of life is a really profitable niche that you can be able to create a combination of different low content and medium content books for. Now, this particular keyword is best to used for the 7 keyword slots because of the slight higher bestseller rank. Apart from that, all the results are absolutely fabulous. First of all, starting with a strong and solid keyword niche score by self-publishing titans of 66 and a total results under 1,000, sitting at 341. The average bestseller rank is currently at 802,321, which makes it ideal for the 7 keyword slots. And the average reviews are 597. Average price is $11.81. Scrolling down, we do have a couple of books that are ranking quite well and that are also selling very well as well. This one's a 6,900, 3,300, 15,000, 2,500, sorry, 2,200. We also have a couple of ones. This one's 10,500 right over there, 1,200. Next up, we've got 96,000, which is more of workbook, end of life workbook, planner, organizer, journal, and it says important information right over here. So we have a couple of books that are selling quite well under this niche that way, and most of them are low content books. If you currently have anything similar that's published in your KDP portfolio, you can go ahead and add this wonderful keyword to your 7 keyword slots. Now let's head straight to the second keyword for the day, and it is connected with the first one, and this one is best to be used for the title because of its amazing metrics that we're going to share with you, starting with the keyword niche score of 67 and a keyword niche score of 9 by Amazon's Cat Pro Chrome extension, which is the highest on the scale. And our keyword is simply end of life planner, and it has a total results within that 1,000 2,000 range, and it's sitting beautifully at 2,776. Average bestseller rank is under 400,000, and it is averaging 327,891. Average reviews are 876, and average price is $12.86. And it's beautiful to be included for the title. And then if you also create this kind of book, you could use this keyword, which was the first one, for the 7 keyword slots as well. So scrolling down, aiming to find a minimum of 2 to 3 books with a bestseller rank under 100,000 that are not sponsored. We've got this one at 3,000, 2,000, 6,000, 15,000. Also, we've got this one at 877 as a bestseller at 10,000, 5,000, and 251,000. The ones that I'm saying out loud are all books under 100k as a bestseller. This one's 57,000, 50,000, and simply utilizing the exact same keyword, end of life planner, the one that has 50,000. Now it is ranking in 2 categories. One is in memoirs and reference, and it is also selling approximately 90 copies per month, generating $184 and it is self-published. This one's also self-published as well, and it is selling consistently, 90 copies per month. Coming down, these are all sponsored. Next up, we've got 15,000, 81,000, 1,200, and we've also got other ones, 76,000 and 35,000, 96,000. We've got 96,000 right over here. So that was the second keyword for the day, ideally to be used for the title and of life planner. Let's head to the third keyword, which is not connected to these to the same niche. It is in the workbook and ADHD niche as well, and it's quite promising. And this keyword can be used for the title, it can be used for the subtitle, and it's best utilized for either the title or the subtitle. It is social scenario workbook for ADHD. Now let's break down the keyword itself, and then we can get into the data. So you're creating a workbook, and who are our audience? It's people with ADHD. What is it about? Apart from ADHD, is to help them process social scenarios, to know how to best act in different social scenarios. And I've also created a template for this kind of keyword available in my Creative Fabrica store. If you take advantage of the 30-day free trial, you can access that completely for free, linked in the description box below. So let's break down the results. We have a keyword niche growth number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is the highest on the scale. Total results is 17, which is fabulous. Bestseller rank is 110,007. Average reviews is 2,252, and average price is $16.88. Absolutely fabulous. Next up, we've got our first book with 26,000 as the best seller, 26,127. Now this is selling approximately 240 copies per month, generating 1,281. Next book we have sitting at 3,700, selling around 810 copies on a monthly basis, generating a massive 2,689. We've got 1,161 for this book right over here. It's selling a massive 1,950, and it is generating 5,398, titled Thriving with ADHD Workbook for Kids. 60 fun activities to help children self-regulate, focus, and succeed. Now notice our keyword, social scenario workbook for ADHD, is not mentioned anywhere in the title or subtitle, but they've managed to mention it in the 7 keyword slots, and that's why it's ranking right over here. This one again, 9,409, combining CBT with issues for children such as ADHD, autism, and these kind of conditions as well, and it's mentioning that keyword in 7 keyword slots as well. So these were the 3 keywords for today. I'll see you on the next one. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.